Ik walk to Erev Purim, the Gasman bar, pak with a stack fin checks. Kijk die checks. It's als Mesamche Lev checks, real checks. Go through them, full stacked envelope so checks. Was Amunis geheim, kimmen, boy bei Yom of Purim. Ich habe immer stacked sie Ostern von Amunis. Sie volunteeren Ostern von Amunis, boy bei Yom of Purim. Machen das simcha spin von Amunis. But the checks are noch nicht gedeckt. We have to cover them. So, Chevre, let's try to get them covered. Look at them. Yedot address, Yedot number with address is unbelievable. So we're going to try to get them covered in the next couple of hours, Chevre. Let's go. Before we go, Stumme Yedot gehit from the organization Mesamche Lev. It's such a beautiful organization. Unbelievable what they do. Off Purim, they give out to Almunis. It's unreal. When we come to the Eish, the host do. Shayele! Unbelievable, Shaya. Wow, ich will kommen, ich didn't tell you why. Ich habe jetzt das Hand von wo, sie doch bald geset. Du hast schon gesehen, wo die ist. Also kommen Feedback. Du weißt, wo die ist, Shaya. Die Organisation, so die Ost. Die Organisation heißt Mesamche Lev. Schon geht Mesamche Lev einmal? Danke, kennst du Sender? Wow.
Wer kennt ich Sender?
Sender ist quasi. So, Autos von Almunis. Aravat Sadik.
Wenn Aravat Sadik Reb?
Ich weiß schon nicht. Salman. Autos off Yom Mamish boy bei Yom. Hinderte checks von Almunis. Guess how much the check is? It's not $200, $300, $1,000 for Almunis mit Kindern in der Stieb. $1,000 cash. She gets $1,000. I was like, Simcha Lev. So I have a couple of checks that I took upon myself to go around and donate. Initially, not a sach checks noch was it's not covered. A check has to be covered. It's not just a piece of paper. It has to be backed by something in the bank account. Die weiß doch.
Ich back him 100%.
Oh, you back him. Hij darf sich gesorgen.
Full backing.
Was ist mit der Thomas Jefferson? Wie heißt der? The Hundreds. Who's on the Hundreds? The Benjamin. Was ist mit der? Darf auch backen von Benjamin.
Benjamin Lipschen. Hand am Trump.
Trump. Oh, Shaya Tzadek. Shaya, ich darf nicht $1,000 von Benjamin, 10 Benjamin, sie backen ein Almuna für im Kippur UN.
100%.
Wow, Chevre, let's take one check over the pile, do. This check is yours. Die guys is internehmen.
No problem.
Shkoyach Shaya, this is mit Swiss. Ich lege den Link auf mein Status. I lege den Link auf the video, weil du noch kapur, I don't know the number, but a lot of checks that still have to be covered. Biz Purim, we have about 24 hours now. However, we want to be able to give it to Almunis on Yom Kippur, on Yom Kippur. Tak Yom Kippur. And with the help from Klal Yisrael, you have that he covers not just Borough Park. I asked him Borough Park. So what's Borough Park? Borough Park, Monsey, Lakewood, 5 towns, Queens, Iberul, Chassidus, Literature, also wie ich. Every single. Taka. So Chevre, Arabai. So we still have 3 checks. I got already a couple donated. 3 checks left that I have to personally, but had so viel mehr Stieb was liegen dort that I have to take care of. So Shaya, let's go to the next. Man not checking in Glitz. Lass uns jetzt hier cover noch a check. Matti, ich habe die checks am Mesamche Lev. Was ich austeilen von Almunis auf Purim, okay? Ich lasse uns coveren a check. A check ist $1,000 für Almunis. The covered Purim. So Matti, als das Sachmaster Geld jetzt von allen Schlechtmoeders in der Vodole mit angekauft auf Purim. I don't do bookkeeping. I do math. I do math. Anyway, Matti, ich habe 8 checks. I need you to take one. Für Almuna. Ich nehme mich kurz zum Sender Ashkenazi. Kennst du den Sender?
No, ich kenne nicht.
Hat Mesamche Lev, taugt aus für Almunis. Kennst du kick auf the name, du? The names of the Almunis are there. It's all legit.
Don't give any names.
I'm not giving you. I'm not.
Confidential.
Yeah, you're right. It's confidential. Ich weiß noch von dir, I want you to sponsor it. And I just want to show you it's legit. It's a MS Almunis from Borough Park, Monsey, Lakewood. 5 towns is amazing. $1,000 Almuna. She gets it on Peter.
Ja, Chaim, wenn het begint met Shem.
Ja? I'm finna.
Shem.
Shkoyach. So I come to you for one check. And I can even give it with you on Peter Almuna. Go together. Wat is gisteren. Dit is ausgemattet, okay? Guy schluffen. Noch ein check noch geblieben, du. Du vergabt Erev Purim. It's not easy to get through the Shloimish diamonds. Shloimi is busy a ganz year. We have the Erev Purim. Shloimi, I know you're busy Erev Purim. We caught you. Schleifig's doch geht. the air marshaller mit the zwei rote Stecken ist, that's what I'm being on Purim. Ja, mit der gelbe West, mit der Hut, ganze Sache. Shlomi, I have a one check left that's unpaid for. Mesamche Lev check, du?
You're a nice guy.
Ken Sender Ashkenazi?
Shout out to Shlomi Steinmetz. Sender is one of the best people. I know.
Ken Sender?
Real. Had a legit organization.
Der ohne Besuch, der
Sits
ist
with
echte
our
Zadig.
Real tzaddik. He does things the right way.
Und ich habe nicht gewusst,
Menschen
that he
realize
doesn't
what
only
he
help people from Borough Park, but Muncie, Queens, Far Rockaway, 5 der ganze... Shlomi, I check that $1,000 für Almuna.
Done.
Ich will... Ja, dann...
Done. Boy Beyon, what's
Boy, they give it on Boy Beyond. We deliver this Boy Beyond. So Shlomi, Boy Beyond, we have a check delivered. Okay. Gever Shlomi nimmt sich the check. Look at that. We got it in a minute, Shlomi. Gever, on to the next. Kapuna Wolf and Buch Hashem, we got these 4 checks covered tonight. A Nacht von Purim. But ik had nog hinderte envelopes. Was davon werden gecoverd von Almunas. Zadig, auch einer von der Chushe, wenn man staat für in Emmental Almuna, Lokovat Purim, was gerade werden delivered. Boy bei Joim. Ich kann dann schiss geben. Ga auf our website, guys, posten off on screen. The website we can go in. Ich kann ganz sponsor kan ganz Almuna. Sponsor halb Almuna. Oder anything you could. Ga auf link in a freilichen Purim, Lokovat Yom Tov.